Hello and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Today's episode is dedicated to Tang. Yes, Tang. You probably remember this drink from when you were a child. This orange drink. Yep, it comes from 1957. It was created by William Mitchell from the General Foods Corporation. He was a food scientist there, and he came up with this concept of something he called Tang Orange crystals. He developed this, and then they hit the shelves, the shopping shelves, in 1959. He thought they would just be flying off the shelves because he kind of advertised this as being a breakfast drink, giving you a good punch of vitamin C, and it was a breakfast drink that you didn't have to squeeze, unfreeze, or refrigerate, as according to their slogan. William Mitchell did go on to develop many other wonderful products. He is also the creator of Pop Rocks and Instant Set Jell-O, and that's not all. He also invented Cool Whip. Is that cool or what? Tang didn't do very well in the supermarket, but the government liked it, and they said they'd like to take this powder drink, this orange powder drink, and they'd like to send it to the military for the troops to drink. They'd like this orange stuff, I think. And they called it Orange Drink. And since it was in the government's hands, they said, why don't we give it to NASA too? And they said, we could send this orange drink with the astronauts to the moon. And NASA went to space and sales skyrocketed. NASA! Houston, we have some Tang. Everybody just loved that astronauts drank Tang. Families were buying Tang for their kids who wanted to be astronauts. John Glenn drank Tang in space. In 2013, Buzz Aldrin was asked, did you drink Tang? Buzz Aldrin said, yes, Tang sucks. I'm using this Tang to make a special cookie. I'm making Tang Creamsicle cookies. It's easy. I'll show you how. Get a half cup of butter and make it nice and fluffy. To this, we're going to add some ingredients. We need to add 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of Tang, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk it up. And now we have this very groovy orange batter. We're going to be mixing more dry ingredients to it. We mix in a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 3/4 cup of flour, and finally 1 1/2 cups of white baking chips. Mix it up. Roll them into balls and place them 2 inches apart on a tray. Bake them at 350 degrees for about 12 to 14 minutes until they start browning on the top. Well, I am ready to try a Tang Creamsicle cookie. Look pretty good. Very orange, very tangy. Let's find out. It smells very orange. Crunchy. Buttery. It is a nice orange flavor. Orange is actually my least favorite flavor. But I'm liking it in this cookie. Works really good with those chips. We have a winner. Tang Creamsicle cookies. Thank you for watching. I love making these wild recipes, learning fun things about food, and I hope you join me for more episodes. Click that button that says like, as well as subscribe if you're not subscribed, and tell your friends about me too. I'll see you next time at Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Bye! I was charged $10,000 to send my cat to space. It was a cat astro fee.